Do you want me to help you? I'll help you if you want. I'll help you. Do you want me to help you? Seriously? Oh no, we're here already. That's fine. Ja, widzisz? Yeah, this is cracked. Yeah, to musisz nowe dołożyć. That's cracked, you're gonna get. Wow. I turned it down for a little bit while we were shooting. That sounds like a Mexican anthem, isn't it? I don't think you would even know what Mexican anthem is.
Anthem is no.
This is a 2012, I think.
Take a look at this housing.
So it's 2000. So hold on, 2014 550 on a D13 Volvo. One of our owner ops. Cummins, sorry. Cummins ISX 550 on the clock. 2014. What is the complaint?
One of the power divider input shaft seal was leaking on it. So we pulled this off. We saw shavings on there. We went ahead and pulled the cover off. We pulled out the shaft and
needed to be replaced.
It needed to be replaced. And as you can see, this housing, no wear on this one at all whatsoever.
What's the noise that we should be looking out for? What were the symptoms?
He didn't mention any noise complaints.
It was just a leak, right?
Yeah, it was just a leak. So that you can see right here, the leak was pretty massive.
Yeah. Well, the worse it's gonna get, the louder probably.
Yeah. Right now it was
early.
It was early, yeah, exactly. So yeah, you can compare both of the housings.
Yeah. It's already chewed up.
Yeah, it's pretty chewed up.
That could be towable. I say if you keep that like that, it's a towable event.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Personally, I think the reason why it failed, it was an ex-rider truck, so it was rented out constantly.
Yeah.
So the power divider was being used constantly. I think that's what I believe.
Yeah. I agree.
For the mileage that it has under there, 500,000.
Yeah. We don't see these a lot.
No, we
that's
don't.
A higher mileage problem, unless
Usually
you're.
we see them like around closer to the mill, 850, 900.
Well, unless you drive on your power divider. Yeah. Like the who? But so definitely something that at rental trucks and trucks that come from fleets, that
something to keep in mind.
It is, yeah, because we haven't done many of these on our trucks, and
we haven't even done one on our trucks.
No, but it's something to keep an eye, primarily by the oil leak on the cover.
Yeah, it's either going to be the seal blew out, or if you have play on the bearings, so you have to replace the bearings on the shaft. So that's a indication right there. Checking out that oil leak.
Yeah. Anything else we want to touch here?
Right here, you can see some wear on the. Some of them was pretty chewed up. It had some pretty deep fittings on there.
Labor times.
Labor times, yeah. That's the old shaft. These are your needle.
Anything else that we should address while we're here?
It's at 500,000, so new diff fluid.
Yeah. Oh, I don't even. Yeah. I don't think you should ever reuse that if you.
No, absolutely not with the shavings like this. No.
That's never a good saving trying to reuse fluids. All right, awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.